What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Watchlist, coming in for Thursday, February 2nd. This is going to be FLGC, FLORA growth. This is a weed stock, but it got lit today, and I was liking the way that the chart was looking, so I did trade in and out of this stock a bunch. FLGC, currently at 39 cents a share. Relative volume 4.2 and average trading range was 0.05 5 cents a share. FLGC. News is for FLGC that Argus has raised the price target to $3 a share, substantially higher than its current price. Liking the chart, so I got involved. FLGC. Next on the list, we got MTCH. Today was crazy, by the way, and a couple of the names on the list, I guess I should say, are larger names that showed up on the Nasdaq, Dow, and S&P 500 scan. Those charts were looking a lot better, and the news that dropped was sounding a lot better for these stocks as well, so we have these on the list for today. MTCH is Match Group Inc., currently at $51 a share. Relative volume was 3.9. Average trading range is $2.25 a day. $14,359,000,000 market cap. MTCH Match Group reported worse than expected earnings, and they also announced they're firing 8% of their workforce. Not that good of news for Match, but possible trades to the downside or to the upside available for Match, I believe. Next up, we got AMD. AMD currently of course, they dropped earnings and just got lit after the post-market yesterday earnings drop. They went from $74 up to $84 pretty much. AMD is currently at $84.25 a share. Relative volume 3.7. Average trading range is $3.60 a day. AMD has a $136 billion market cap. News for AMD today. This news is dropping. Keybanc has a price target. It's all after earnings price target adjustments. Keybanc price target 95. JP Morgan price target at $82 a share. Morgan Stanley price target at $87 a share. And Mizuho maintains a buy rating. All good news for AMD. Just completely ripped faces today. Real nice move for AMD. Next on the list, we got Qorvo, QRVO. Qorvo Inc., currently at $110 a share. Relative volume 3.7. $3.47 average trading range. $11,500,000,000 market cap. A golden cross has just occurred as of yesterday or the day before, so about Monday, golden cross has occurred. Earnings dropped and they beat on their EPS by 13 cents a share. However, they're missing their revenue by $80 million. Huge revenue miss, huge earning per share beat. So that's QRVO, Qorvo. Unique news, and we'll see what happens. BIDU on the list, BIDU. BIDU is currently at $153.50 a share. Relative volume was 3.6. Average trading range for BIDU is $6.38 a day. $52 billion market cap. Older news, but recent, is price target adjustments for BIDU. Nomura price targets at 176, currently at 152 a share. Citigroup price target at 138, and Jefferies has a price target at $210 a share for BIDU. BIDU. Next up, we got GRFX, Graphex Group. GRFX is currently at $1.74 a share. Relative volume 2.3. 17 cents daily trading range and $63 million market cap. GRFX Graphex Group joins forces with a large graphite processing company, and they have signed a deal to supply graphite for EV battery production. That's GRFX Graphex. I think this is, yeah, these are IPO levels potentially becoming into play here. Next targets are around $1.90, $1.95, and $2. Breakouts above $2 could lead to IPO level testing. It could get crazy. I love IPO trades because they are very powerful as far as the levels that are presenting themselves, we could say. It's the only levels that we have as a presentation to go off of. So IPO trades could be crazy. Okay, GRFX. Last on the list tonight, we got MICRON, MU. MICRON, potential sympathy play or trade with NVIDIA and AMD. MICRON is currently above the 200-day moving average, just like NVIDIA. But NVIDIA's 50-day is above the 200-day moving average. AMD is very similar to MU here, MICRON, because it looks like this candle right now on AMD. So, possible to judge AMD, NVIDIA, and MICRON as a whole and see what's going to happen if one of these or all of them are going to catch up to NVIDIA, or if these two, meaning MICRON and AMD, are going to stay weaker comparatively. But I do think that AMD and MU need to get the 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average again, and there will be some gas pedal required for that to happen. $65 a share in sight. Possible targets of $66 a share for MU. Just a trade idea, just a sympathy thing. It's like stuff we should check anyways. Okay, well, we've done it again. That's the list coming in for February 2nd for this Thursday. I hope you guys have a safe trading day. I hope you guys have a good week. Thank you very much for checking in. I appreciate all of your time. Good luck, and we'll see you on the next list. Have a good night. Bye-bye.